Sick pay laws changed July 1st, 2016, and what that means for you very simply is that the federal government says you are now required to give your employees at least 4 days per year of sick time off, and you have to accrue them as one every 30 hours worked. What does that mean? That means your payroll changes. That means your accounting has to change to all of a sudden account for this new liability that, by the way, doesn't even go on your balance sheet. So it doesn't even make sense, but you have to keep a separate schedule tracking all of this stuff. What a mess. What an absolute mess. Oh, no, it gets worse. You say, hey, look, what we have is a vacation policy as well. Well, as long as your vacation policy is not a vacation policy, but it's a paid time off policy, and it's greater than the minimum numbers of days that you have to provide for your employees for sick time, meaning it's greater than 4 days, you're okay. What's the problem? PTO you have to pay out when an employee leaves. Paid time off actually goes on your balance sheet and is required to be paid out when an employee leaves or is terminated. The sick time, you don't have to do that. So in fact, you're going to incur extra expense if you just simply expand your paid time off or your PTO policy to cover your sick time policy. So that easy solution, unfortunately, is going to cost you some money. So what's another solution? Well, the other solution is, frankly, just to give it to them. Give them one vacation and one sick, but that may not go with your overall policy. What's a third solution? A third solution is maybe unlimited PTO. Well, shoot, that's kind of crazy. Now people are going to be taking vacations whenever they want. Well, not necessarily. There are a lot of companies who have employed that strategy successfully by creating job roles and responsibilities and making sure that people are hitting them whether they're there or not. Maybe these are all options. There are a number of other options for you. Ultimately, you have to go in and do planning. And here at TGG, we are working hard with our clients to make sure that they're both compliant with laws, they're accounting for them correctly, but most importantly, that this overall vacation, sick, PTO mix of different things is in line with your overall business strategy. When we did this and took a look at it here at TGG and we switched our policy, we ended up saving over $15,000 a month. That makes a big difference in who we're able to hire, how we're able to hire, and how we manage these different people. You too have this opportunity, but if you're not compliant, the penalties are absolutely out of this world. It's a little bit more tricky than just the federal 4 days, because I'm standing here in San Diego, and San Diego mandates 6 days. If I go up to Santa Monica, it's 9 days. Every city might be different, and different states in the country are also different, and you have to comply with the highest number, of course. It's important that if you have any questions, come to us here at TGG. We'll help you figure out whether you're in compliance or out of compliance, and more importantly, we'll help you align your strategy with your business model so that whatever you choose to do, you're not spending money uselessly or non-profitably on excess employees' vacation, sick, or paid time off.